Hey everyone, this is Colin, and in today's video I'm going to go over the folding and unfolding functions of 3 electric scooters. The first one we have is the Wheelspeed WS1, the second one is the Gotrax GXL V2, and then the third one is the Hiboy S2. I'm going to show you how each one of them folds and unfolds, time how long it takes, and then give you a brief review. The purpose of this video is to show you different scooter folding mechanisms to help you decide what's best for you. I notice a disadvantage with a lot of current scooters is that it's pretty complex. It requires you to bend over to pull like a retainer clip, then pull a lever, and then the handlebar swings down. And then you have to figure out how to latch the handlebar onto a hook that's behind the rear wheel. This process is complicated and it takes a while, but it can be done. I was given the opportunity to review the WS1, which has a unique handle folding design. So instead of bending over, there's actually a lever on the handlebar stem that you pull up, and then the stem just collapses. So right now I'm going to show you 3 different scooter folding mechanisms and you can decide what's best for you. So the first one that we have is the Wheelspeed WS1, and it's pretty simple. There's this red lever right here that you pull up. You don't even have to bend over. You push the stem forward and pull this up, and then this comes down. And then in order to unfold it, it's the same thing. Pull the stem up, push this upwards, and then pull this up as such. We also have the Gotrax. In order to fold this, we need to pull this spring right here, lift this mechanism out this way, and then fold this down. And then over here, it just clicks into place. Then you can pull it up. In order to unfold it, you would push this tab down, pull this up, and then it should click in place. This is the Hiboy S2, and in order to fold it, you have to bend over, pull this lever right here, pull this outwards, and then fold this down. And then in order to hook it onto place, you have to lift this tab right here, hook it right here, and then you can lift it up. And in order to release it, you would pull this up, go like this, and then pull this in place. So we can time how long it takes to do this. Comparing the different folding mechanisms, the WS1 was the quickest at 4 seconds to fold and unfold, which I expected. The other ones took about 8 to 9 seconds. So the WS1 was very simple, didn't have to bend over initially. You would pull the folding mechanism on the stem and then it would just fold down, and then you pull it again and it folds back up. It's very simple, it took 4 seconds. While the other ones, that's how long it took to unfold them. With the Gotrax, I had to use one hand to pull the spring retainer and then use another hand to pull the lever, and then the handlebar or the handlebar stem, nothing's really supporting it. It just kind of comes down. So you could see in the video, I kind of had to swing my head around and then it started to come down. And once it was coming down, it was very simple. There's a hook that just goes on the latch on the back of the rear wheel, like fender piece. And to undo it, you just push the red lever and then pull it up, which is pretty simple. For the Hiboy, that was a little simpler to fold down because I could just pull the tab and pull the lever with one hand and then use my other hand to hold the handlebar stem while coming down, but that's where it got a little more difficult. There's actually a latch on the back that you have to pull up and then like kind of find the hook to put that into, and that took a little bit of time. But folding it back up, you would just kind of push the stem down, pull the tab outwards, and then pull the stem up, and then it clicked in place. Hopefully this video was helpful for you to see different scooter folding mechanisms to help you decide what's best for you. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. So thank you guys for watching and take care.